What is good, guys, and welcome to today's video. We are at Okuibuki. This is a snow resort, so skiing and snowboarding usually happens here, but it's hotter than your mum's hot plate when she's making you breakfast because you still haven't moved out of home yet. Hurry up and work on that. But also this economy sucks, so I get you. But that aside, we're at Okuibuki. We're set up for practice day tomorrow. Full day of practice for FDJ1, then moving into qualifying, and then into the main comp. But we're already set up and ready to go. You guys working hard or hardly working? Hey, someone's got to put up all these flags. Bren's colorblind, so we're wondering if he's gonna go into the girls or the boys' bathroom. This Zafiro is kind of wild because it's got the Rocket Bunny S14 kit on it, but also I have to appreciate he's practically got 10 degrees of camber. That's a lot of camber, bro. Looks awesome. We're gonna hit the track in the truck. Like he's a mad lad. So this is the entry, guys. We've got to come flying up here into that. I'm so stoked. I can't wait to drive this. This is like the #1 track I've been wanting to drive that FD does. Konnichiwa! Otsukaresama desu! Three, two, one, into here. Hit the zone. Come around here deep, into zone 2, flick across into 3, against the wall, big wall ride, downshift, woo! Oh my gosh. And then another wall ride here. This is gonna be fun. And then the track ends here. That's the ending line. And now we gotta go up there. This thing is a beast. I think we're about to hit 800,000 kilometers in this bad girl. Rolling coal. It's pretty wild track. I love the concept. I don't think any other competition has anything similar to this in Japan. FD's the only one. Look at the lines from the truck, Daiki. Yeah, I'm joking. This is sketch though, like the wall and having to come into this zone is gonna be fun. I'm so excited. Dude, I'm gonna air up to like 3 bar in the rear. It's gonna be good, just go slow and we'll have a good time. Stay in the zones as long as possible, that's how you win. So Steve made the mistake of pulling up here to go to the bathroom and left the truck running. The keys might be out of the ignition and now hanging on the antenna. Hey bro! How you doing?
How are you?
Good to see you. You ready for this weekend?
Yeah.
You ready for Fausto's?
You ready for this weekend?
I'm ready, man. I'm ready for the wall. Is Fausto ready for the wall? He's got the biggest spoiler I know. Look at this front end. Where are the keys, bro? I don't have them. They're on the truck.
Fuck you. Where are my keys? Okay.
They're on the truck.
No load truck.
They're on the truck.
Okay, no load truck anymore. Just because you.
He doesn't believe me. They're on the truck. They're on the truck. You can get them.
This guy. Fuck you.
You already went past them, bro.
Bro.
They're on the outside. On the outside.
No. Okay, give me.
They're right. They're right here.
Bro, fuck you.
I don't think there's anything more satisfying than having the exact change for something in a vending machine. It just feels good knowing that you don't have to get the money out at the bottom. Melon soda for the win. This stuff is gold. If you ever come to Japan, do not leave without trying this. We're doing limbo with the K-van. Are we good? Are we good? We're good? Oh, you could eat. Right. Hey. It's the next day now and it is practice day. I don't know how we made it here on time last night. It was a lot of fun, maybe too much fun with the boys. But we're here to practice and what, 5 cars already in the wall? Like, it's pretty gnarly. So I'm trying to just chill, relax, let some rubber go down. Like, look at this right now. Let some rubber go down, get some grip on the track, get all the kind of car park stuff off it, and then hopefully it'll be a little better. But it's gonna be fun. I'm so, like, nervous is good, but I'm also definitely worried about how much I can crash my car today. I definitely don't want to say I like walls. That would be a bad idea, wouldn't it, Adam? I'm gonna take this really calm. Good idea of that. First laps in the car done. I'm actually feeling really, really good. The sim practice has helped a lot. Now, obviously, they're the first couple laps. First time driving on this track, it's like my sight lap, feeling out the car, making sure I've set up everything how I want it, being shallow, not getting too crazy close to walls and things like that. Honestly, I'm really stoked. I think we did a really good job. Few mistakes I made though. I forgot to have my boost mode set, so we were just in gate pressure that whole time, which is why the car felt really slow. I came to the pits, I'm like, damn, why does my car feel so slow? Never turned the boost on, so I'm actually changing it now, so by default it's always on that mode. And otherwise, everything's good. All the changes we made to the car and the dash and the extra data is looking really good. I'm stoked, honestly. So yeah, I'm gonna go through, finish setting this up, go do a couple more laps, see how we feel, and go from there. I don't feel like I need to drive this track a lot, because it just feels like I know it so well from all the sim practice, and I've never felt this confident going into a round of FD with this car before because of the sim. It's kind of wild, actually. Like, I had this crappy other sim before that you guys know about, and with the VR and everything, and yeah, that was okay, but it didn't feel anything like a real car. Like, nothing felt the same. But the sim that we have now, with everything in the same position and how good the sim magic here, or however, I'm sorry if I pronounced that. I thought it was sim magic. That's how everyone says it in Japanese, but I guess it's sim magic. Sorry. Yeah, it's mildly different. It's not mildly, it's massively different. So yeah, I'm kind of ranting on now, but I'm gonna get into this, get into that, do some more laps and see how we feel. Okay. That was a sketchy run. I nearly crashed like 3 times. one really good lap. Felt great. I just need to work on my entry and go a little deeper there. I literally cannot tell you just how much I feel confident out there. We've lost all boost. A coupler or something split or cracked open. So we're taking the bumper off to dive into that and hope that it's something simple to fix. But otherwise I feel good. I don't think I need any more crazy laps. I'm probably just, once we fix this, go out, do maybe one more or two, and then we'll call it quits for the day. But yeah, let's find out where all my boost went. All right, try now. If it builds any pressure. Right now it's gone down. It's going down, right? But you would hear it if there's a big boost leak. So it's not boost, it's not the piping or anything like that. It's something to do with the turbo or wastegate, I think. I thought we might be having boost issues, so we just checked over everything on the car. We don't have any boost leaks, thank God. All of our couplers are golden. I think it's just gearing. We're starting on a hill, everything's kind of bogging down. I'm not really used to that. While the gearing kind of works with the 4.1, there's a lot of clutch kicks to get it kind of smooth and around the wall. So we're gonna step it up a bit, change our gearing and mess around. We'll see what this one feels like, the 4.3. From there, we've got other options all the way up to like, I think 5.1, 5.2 we have. So we'll see how we go, or we can drop it down and just use second. That would feel weird though in a pro car. But anyways, we'll see what we can do. Be the turbo. Like, I've never used a G40 with a ton of anti-lag before. Maybe the anti-lag's finally tapped out the turbo. Who knows? All right. Stop. Once again, same. 1100. Damn, this boat is freaking peppy, eh?
I'm too scared to do one of these to my car.
Yeah. Look, I don't think any car person likes doing a compression test. Worst case scenario, we're changing the turbo today. That's it. All right, Dikey. All right, same again.
Healthy.
All right, Dikey. All right, two things. That's not the problem. That sucks. Well, no, it doesn't suck. It still doesn't give me an answer. That sucks. That sucks. But two, your boy can build a good motor apparently.
The first time in history where a positive compression test is like, nope. I'm still mad.
It's just I had to tick this off the list in my head. I'm like, could it be this? Could it be that? You know. Completely fixed. It's completely knocked up. We fixed the car, and I'm kicking myself over what it was because I kind of knew that we did this, but it never clicked until now after getting on the phone with Garrett. So we took the turbo off, we put the new one on, and as you can see by just that clip, the anti-lag and everything, the turbo is way more responsive. It's so peppy. It is like night and day. And I'm sitting there looking at my old turbo, I'm like, nothing physically looks wrong. Everything on the shaft spins great. There's no play, there's nothing. The wheels look good on them. So I call Garrett, and the guys are like, oh, did you overspin the turbo? Because that's like a thing that'll happen, and it can change the shape of the aero of the wheel, compressor wheel and stuff, even though it looks normal to like the naked eye. It could have, you know, warped and all that. Anyways, and I was like, oh, last round 100% we overspun the turbo, and we all just laughed because like the car was definitely making 1200 horsepower at Sugo. We were hitting zones on the, like, there's only so much you can do on a dyno, and with how we had the car geared and how much load we had on the car at Sugo, it was hitting boost tables that we were not tuned for. So we overboosted, and the engine's fine and healthy, there's no problem there. The issue was that we just damaged the turbo. The turbo's only an 1150 turbo. It's meant for 1,150 horsepower at the flywheel. at the rear hubs, my tune is 1030. So if you do your math, you kind of already know we're already overspinning it a little bit, and I am being a little naughty. So we've been on the edge. But look, out of every other, I'm not complaining. We threw a brand new spare one on there. The car's ready to rip tomorrow. It's gonna be way more responsive and everything all over again. I'm now concerned that my gearing's gonna be wrong, but who cares? We'll go out there and we'll have some fun. I'm just stoked. But yeah, there you go. Maybe don't overspin your turbo and go too crazy. Just thinking about it, that is like, I think we overspun it like 40% more than we should have. Because if we're making 1200 at the rear wheel, because it's definitely what it was making at Sugo, 100%. 2.2 bar, the car makes 1030 at 1.8 bar. At 2 bar, or 2.2. Yeah, no, that's gnarly. So anyways, that's where we're at. It's been a beautiful day. Let's go say hi to some people. There goes Altezza looking fire. He did go on the wall a little bit today though. This thing's sick. It still throws me off seeing a V8 K&N air filter in here. Ooh, damn. Yeah, that fitment's tight. Dude, I can't get the credit card in there. Nah, that's because of the strap maybe. Arigatou gozaimasu. Mecha tasukata. Oh, hi. Arigatou. Every now and then I think about what would be the new chassis that I would build instead of an S15. And I gotta say, the Yaris and the Corollas and the GR86s definitely, they make me feel something special, for sure. Also, Hiro Minowa's new car looks amazing. Freaking love it. Dude, the endless brake kit. Damn, so clean and nice. Good builds. Cusco team's got some good stuff. Another day, another melon soda. I love this place. Yeah, unfortunately though, I didn't have the exact change this time around.
We're back at the hotel now, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely feels good going into the round with all the sim practice and everything like that. So I think we're going to do really, really well tomorrow. But thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing, and I will see you all in the next one. I'm going to get some rest. Peace.
He said, son, when you grow up, would you be the savior of the broken, the beaten, and the damned?